One of Elon Musk's most loyal employees was fired at Twitter. Here's how she went from surviving layoffs to the chopping block in the span of a few months. This was one of the floor sleepers?
Yes.
The sleeping
Most
bags?
notably her.
Yeah. Esther Crawford. Multiple outlets reported Twitter's director of product management was let go amid new layoffs. Esther Crawford posted a photo of herself sleeping on the floor after going hardcore under Elon Musk. Crawford reportedly met one-on-one with Musk and was described by a colleague as his interpreter. Whatever that means.
She was tasked for Twitter Blue. That was her project.
That was the big deal?
Yeah.
And Elon Musk's interpreter?
Sure.
Because it's impossible to... Because he speaks Elon?
Yeah.
Is that why? Multiple engineers and product team members at Twitter, including Director of Product Management Esther Crawford, have been fired, according to multiple media reports. Crawford spent over 2 years at Twitter, according to her LinkedIn, working on projects like Twitter Blue and Spaces. Her layoff was first reported by platformer Zoe Schiffer on Saturday. The Verge's Alex Heath confirmed the reporting, along with another round of layoffs that affected multiple individuals in the organization, including advertisement and product teams. The layoffs included at least 50 team members, according to multiple outlets. Insiders Callie Hayes first reported in January that 50 people on Twitter's product team were let go. Crawford made headlines in November after she put out this tweet. When your team is pushing round the clock to make deadlines, sometimes you sleep where you work.
Remember this viral tweet?
I remember the hot tweet. Give me the specs on the tweet. What did it do?
Let's find out.
Hot tweet. Loading. Load up that hot tweet. See how much heat it actually has. Not that hot, Will.
Maybe this was a retweet?
What about her reply? I don't think you can call this viral. Hate to tell you. Okay. Unless what you just clicked on, the subtweet of the hot tweet. No?
Maybe.
No, a little hotter. Slight heat. That's like when when you're ordering chicken wings.
It's preheating.
You're ordering chicken wings and they have the heat meter, the number of peppers beside it. 1 pepper, 2 pepper, the amount of spice. It's like me when I go to India. They're like, you can't handle it. You don't want that one.
Yeah, they're no joke.
That's 4 peppers. That's 4 pepper spice. And I'm like, this is what I want. I can handle it. I cleared a drain in the kitchen and I didn't use Drano. Well, I used Drano, but then I actually took everything apart. I can handle it. Yeah. Then I'm on the floor in a sleeping bag in the Indian restaurant.
Sweating.
And they're like, we told you, man.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, I didn't listen.
But Drano.
I'm like, you got any plumbing issues? Because I can help you there.
That has nothing to do with
that's not how this works. Yeah. This doesn't work that way at all. We just want you to pay for your meal and get the hell out of here.
Yeah. Don't sleep on our floor.
I'm like, oh, right.
Where'd you get the sleeping bag?
Forgot. Yeah. I'm like, well, because I'm going hardcore.
They're just scratching their heads?
Because I'm Elon Musk's interpreter.
Yeah.
They're like, you're in a restaurant right now. Oh, man. Well, Twitter Blue didn't do that well, I guess. It got 300,000 subscribers. I guess people had higher expectations. And it was the thing of getting the blue check mark, paying the $8, whatever it was. And so maybe they're like, well, let's go our separate ways.